Hi guys! Tulipical makeup is with you, and today we are going to make a fresh, natural makeup for gorgeous Victoria. This very type of makeup will perfectly suit girls with warm skin and hair undertone. So let's not waste the time and get into it! First thing which I want to mention is that Victoria has beautiful features, but a little bit difficult skin, consisting of reddish stains and acne. The skin is not oily, and after cleaning the face to give her skin some inner glow, I'm using a very light oil. It will hydrate and moisturize the skin, but don't forget to leave the face for like 3 minutes after applying the oil, to give the opportunity to the skin to absorb the product well. To neutralize the reddish stains and camouflage acne, I'm going to put some corrector of greenish and yellow-greenish colors exactly to the problem zone, not further. It looks much more better right now. And now I'm mixing the full coverage foundation with the one which is much more liquid, because a full coverage foundation is a little bit heavy for my model, and the thinner and pigmented the foundation layer is, the longer you're gonna wear it, especially on the problem skin. Fixing setting spray in use. I'm pressing carefully the second thin layer of foundation, in order not to disturb the first foundation layer underneath. I'm doing this trick because my model needs some more tone correction. If you have a good skin color, you can avoid this step. High pigmented concealer in use. And I'm going to set some other dry products a little bit later. And now I turn to eyebrows. Combing the hair with the soap. Victoria has gorgeous, long eyebrow hair. I'm pressing the combined hair with the silicone sponge for better fixing. Filling the brows. I'm using a standard eyebrow pencil right now. Today there is a lot of different pens for eyebrows drawing with the different types of applicators, but we have a classical story today. Working with the problem skin, I don't advise to use buffing methods of applying the skin products. I prefer to layer them by tapping into the skin. This way helps not to disturb the underneath layers, as I have already told you. I'm using the liquid eyeshadows of a warm brown color. Intensive on the mobile lid and blend that out. The same product on the lower eyelid. I'm using my ring finger to put sparkles on the mobile lid. And by the way, why ring finger? So, if you have a good habit to put concealer or other liquid products or sparkles with your ring finger, it will do the work. Because from all the fingers on our hand, the ring finger pad is the softest and it works like a mini sponge. At least index finger might seem to be more comfortable for us. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the form of the crease from round to more like almond. And filling the external corner of the eye. To make our new crease line softer, I'm going to blend it with the friendly brown colors. To fill the inner corner of the eye, I'm mixing white and dirty pink colors. By the way, this is one of my favorite mixes for highlighting. You even can see how often I use big brushes with this palette, and I'm really sorry about the fact that it might seem a little bit messy. Waterproof pencil in use for upper lash line. So, draw in the wing with some waterproof pencil. Looks already very nice. I have already used a white KOHL pencil on Victoria's waterline, and now I want to emphasize the lower lashes line with the dark matte eyeshadows. Pay attention that I'm not connecting the lash line with the tear duct. I even continue it a little bit lower. That's a kind of a trick that creates the illusion that external corners of the eyes are lifted higher than the internal. I'm curling the lashes. I use a tweezer form of the eyelashes curler, and it really differs from the curler we used to know, because I don't curl all the lashes simultaneously, and in my case, you choose the part of eyelashes you want to curl and the angle of curling by yourself. Here comes the mascara, beam form of eyelashes, mascara on the lower eyelashes, some additional emphasis, and Victoria's Shine Love. Warm Sunny Honey bronzer on cheekbones, but here just a little bit, because Victoria has her natural, gorgeous, vivid chin. Here comes the blush, highlighter, and the light lip gloss of a warm pink color. And voila! Natural, but at the same time good for a nice evening event makeup. Hope you enjoyed the result, and please give you a thumbs up to me, my beautiful model Victoria, for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon!